Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cute hair combo on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to select this hair here and you can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to use this brown for mine, and then I'm going to use this hair, the back toggle, no flowers, and I'm just going to color that the same. And then I'm going to use this hair, only bangs, and then color that brown. And then lastly, we are going to use this one. Where is it? Out here. Color it brown. Use the accessory adjustments for it. And then position the y-axis at 63. And then the z at 65. Don't mind the back, but look how cute this hairstyle is. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.